Dear students, welcome to Lecture 0 Part 2 in Introduction to Computer Graphics. Dear student, for enabling all types of computer graphics including interactive and batch computer graphics, hardware support is very much mandatory. In recent days, hardware revolution is its highest level of peak. Therefore, according to Moore's law, every 12 to 18 months, computer power improves by a factor of 2 in price, performance as size shrinks. Nowadays, newest CPUs are 64-bit with 4, 8, 16 up to 56 cores. For image processing, Intel Coffee Lake processor was introduced. Consumer processor with up to 8 cores, 16 threads and a fully featured graphics chip built into the processor. For handling images, the real advances in processing graphical images is reflected by NVIDIA. NVIDIA launches various type of GPUs since 2010 into the market. The recent most advanced NVIDIA GeForce is RTX 2080 Ti with 4352 cores, 11 GB memory and 14 plus teraflops of processing power in a single chip. As you can see at the right side of the slide in the figure, RTX 2080. Each CPU nowadays has a graphics chip for doing graphics operations quickly, also known as graphics subsystems. Such CPU having this type of construction are nowadays called GPUs. GPU stands for Graphical Processing Unit. The GPU can perform all types of operations, including graphics operation vigorously. Various companies come into the market for developing graphics subsystem like NVIDIA GeForce, AMD Vega, Intel HD and Iris Pro graphics. But NVIDIA captured the market as a whole by producing easy and user-friendly GPUs, which are known as GPGPUs or General Purpose Computing on the Graphics Processing Unit since 2010. Below on the slide you will see various models of NVIDIA GeForce GTX Graphics Processing Unit. At parallel, for enabling modern computer graphics, various types of input devices also play an important role. For example, mouse, tablets and stylus, multi-touch, force feedback and other game controller. For example, Joy-Con for Nintendo Switch, scanner, digital camera for images, computer vision, etc. Also, our body action and gestures can act as input medium for hardware. For example, Xbox Kinect and Leap Motion. In both forms, the graphics medium responded in the same way as we act in the real world, which is some time for our recreation and entertainment. Dear students, various digital devices also play an important role in enabling modern computer graphics. For example, smartphones, laptop, desktops, tablets. Number 2, smartwatches. Number 3, head-mounted display, also called HMDs. HMDs are commonly used in various gaming areas so as to create an effect of reality. The digital reality is divided into two types, augmented reality and virtual reality. First of all, what is virtual reality? It is the computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment, such as helmet with a screen inside or gloves fitted with sensors. And what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is the result of using technology to superimpose information like sounds, images and text on the world we see. For example, Iron Man style of interactivity. It is very difficult to define clear line between virtual reality and augmented reality. However, the combination of both is called mixed reality. अगर हमने virtual reality को समझना है तो फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल एक कंपनी ने एक कार बनाई और उस कंपनी ने उस कार के अंदर एयर बैग्स लगाए और कंपनी ये देखना चाहती है कि अगर एक्सीडेंट होता है तो ये एयर बैग्स कितनी जल्दी रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं और ह्यूमन लाइफ बचाते हैं। तो इसको जज करने के लिए रियल ह्यूमंस के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं किया जा सकता, तो फिर मॉडल्स बनाए जाते हैं और फिर वो सिमुलेट किए जाते हैं और इस सिमुलेशन के दौरान रिज़ल्ट्स क्या रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं ताकि उसके बाद उनमें बेहतरी लाई जा सके, यानी कि एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को मज़ीद बेहतर किया जा सके। जबकि ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी में थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस होता है, फ़र्क होता है। मिसाल के तौर पर आप किसी मुल्क में सैर करने के लिए गए हैं, वहाँ पर अगर आपने कोई एंशिएंट बिल्डिंग के बारे में जानना है कि ये बिल्डिंग कब बनी, किसने बनाई और किस पर्पज़ के लिए बनाई गई, तो ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी आपको बहुत फ़ायदा दे सकती है। इसमें हमें सिर्फ ये करना होता है कि अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन से उस बिल्डिंग का इमेज लेना होता है या हम रियल टाइम पर उस बिल्डिंग के सामने अपना मोबाइल फ़ोन करते हैं। तो जैसे ही हम अपना मोबाइल फ़ोन उस बिल्डिंग के सामने करते हैं तो सुपर इम्पोज टेक्स्ट जो है वो उस बिल्डिंग के बारे में लिखा हुआ हमारी डिजिटल स्क्रीन पर आ जाता है, जो कि फ़िज़िकली तो नहीं होता लेकिन वो डिजिटली ऑगमेंटेड रियलिटी की मदद से उस इमारत के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन क्रिएट करता है। स्लाइड पर आपको मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स को एनेबल करने के डिफरेंट टाइप्स की डिवाइसेस नज़र आ रही हैं। In this slide, you are viewing degradation process, which is implemented with the help of augmented reality. The degradation process reflects the superimposed text. When a user wants to know about any building, park, lake, or something else, etc. Finally, software improvements are also very much important for enabling modern computer graphics. Three different improvements of softwares have been considered till now. Number 1, algorithms and data structures. Number 2, parallelization. And number 3, distributed and cloud computing. All are important in the light of enabling modern computer graphics. So dear students, this is all about enabling modern computer graphics in terms of hardware and software. Further, we will proceed with environmental evolution.